I got a question. Why do you think I want them?
I don't know. You did a lot of hating just now. So I'm thinking,
What's up, C-Squad?
It's Nigel C.
And Daddy C.
I'm Daddy's son.
Kick Talk.
And today, we're kick talking about
finally the end of my days chasing pandas.
I got bras in Atlanta. This is the weapon of better.
Oh,
The
okay.
guys in the sky. This is the weapon of better. Look at you.
The panda hunt is over, finally. And we're talking about, of course, none other than the ever-evasive, 100 times restock, Nike, Dunk Low, Panda black and white. You know, no frills, no thrills. Just the basic black and white. That's a key component, for some strange reason, right, to every sneakerhead's collection.
the modern day Air Force One.
Better than Air Force One, though, I think.
Oh.
I mean, it's just not an Air Force One. Air Force One to me seems so utterly basic. This is basic too.
It's
this is
basic, but you hating though. Like,
I'm not hating the Air Force One. Like, I grew up in the Baltimore area, so Air Force Ones were life, right? All throughout the 80s, 90s. But I'm over Air Force Ones at this point.
I feel you.
I bought one pair like in the last 2 years, and I got rid of them. No Air Force Ones in my casa, right? But this guy, and it's really, I truly, besides it's a good color to wear with black, they're just clean, basic.
They go with every fit too.
Yeah, they're clean and basic, but they're really not that special. And we go crazy for them. And I know I entered at least on sneakers 5 times. Nike app probably another couple of times. And I've gotten an L every single time.
Except for now.
No.
What?
And these came to me by way of one of my friends and my associates, you know what I'm saying? So this was an assist.
I'm not gonna
cop,
lie.
actually.
Nike is really just not rocking with you right now.
Dude, I don't know what I did. 2021 was great. I was like, boom, got him. 2022, they're like, no, man, you don't got him. Don't got him. Like every release. So these came to me via assist, but I will kindly and gladly take it. I did get the Panda highs, but the highs just don't hit like the lows.
Nah, I don't know. I'm not gonna lie. They're not like super unique, but there's something about them that just like, they're captivating, you know?
Yeah, I mean, they're again, basic.
Yeah.
It's funny though, because I'm, talking about the quality of this shoe, man. I watched a video of a guy that is a shoe, things like, owns like a handmade shoe company. Deals in leather goods, knows all the different qualities. He actually cut a pair of Pandas open, cut them in half, and looked at the quality of them, took all the leather panels off and examined the leather and everything. And he basically said that the leather quality on this shoe is like the chicken nugget of chicken. You know what I mean?
Yes, I completely know what you mean.
If you ask a person that McDonald's corporate person, is the chicken McNugget made out of chicken? And they'd be like, I mean, it's chicken in it, but what parts of the chicken? They have no idea, right? Because it's that pink sludge stuff. So this is what this leather is like on these dunks. So I'm gonna talk bad about them. I got them. I'm happy I got them, right? Don't get me wrong. But I'm gonna just break it down because the biggest thing, like the guy was talking about how at $100 price point, which is what these of course always go for, it's fine. You get it. It's it's a well-built shoe. It's vintage, throwback, retro, and all of that. But people paying $300, $400, $500 for regular dunks, it is just not worth it, man, because of the quality. It's crazy.
I'm not gonna lie though, like I understand if you're like IG fashion person, you really do need these in your rotation.
Yeah.
So you really be willing to pay that price for them.
If you can't get them, I understand it, but it's just like, man, you could really spend your money on something that's better quality. You think this is the regular dunk, like a SB is gonna give you a whole bunch of different cushioning and quality and colors and things like that. Where the basic regular dunk, this is again, regular. I always call it the regular dunk, man. This is no frills, no thrills. I thought this was straight all like pleather. Like
Alright,
plastic.
but you low-key doing some extreme hating right now.
I know.
Why do you want these?
I want them because I've been wanting them for so long. So then it became almost like, because they're just a good, clean pair to have in a collection. When I'm throwing on sneakers to run to Target or we just hanging out for the Saturday, it's easy to throw on. I got a question. Why do you think I want them?
I don't know. You did a lot of hating just now. So So I'm thinking, you know, maybe it's a big trend or something, and you trying to like hop on. You know what I'm saying?
I'm not. I mean,
maybe you know what I'm saying. Maybe it's really versatile. Also, that's another thing.
The versatility of the
It's
shoe.
mad versatile.
Right, because I have like the Georgetown Dunks, which is again like the blue and gray. But when I'm wearing black, I don't have like a an easy black shoe, black something like this to throw on. That's just easy to pop on. That's not like a Jordan whatever.
Yeah.
Where this is like this again like you said like an Air Force One. It's just a slip on. It's like a pair of Vans, right? Like a slip on, run out the door, boom, you're done. Not a whole lot of going on. There's no fancy anything details or whatever.
Simple.
Yeah, but the guy that I thought that these weren't actually full leather, but this shoe person that I was watching, he took all the panels off, took lighters to him, and he talked about how
Lighters?
like heat, like fire, right? Because you can tell like leather won't melt because pleather is like plastic kind of made with it. And the thing is, what they do with this leather is that they're cheap leather parts in the shoe, and then they put a polyurethane coat over the top of it. So it really is like a plastic over top of the leather because it's like the cheapest leather that they could basically come up with to make this shoe in the construction, which is whatever. It's $100. That's like that's as cheap you're gonna get a pair of good Nikes for, especially Dunks. But that's why they crease so bad. Once you start wearing them, they're gonna crease like crazy. They get like bubbles on them because the polyurethane and the leather will start to, I mean, you can't see it now, but as they crease. All right, so I was talking about that polyurethane, the way that coating happens. So these crease like just the worst, right?
Yeah.
They crease bad. So you can see the creases here and the way it starts to almost like bubble up.
Yeah.
Because the polyurethane over top of the leather in there, from it bending, just starts to create a bubble. It's crazy, right? But again, it's a highly coveted shoe. Everybody gets a pair, wants a pair, and I got it. I'm tired of chasing it. Finally got it. That's all. I'm just happy to finally have it in the collection. Yeah. No big heavy duty review we need to do on these because I think most people, what it's about.
It's simple. It's got black and white and nothing else to it.
That's it. Do us a favor.
Ring that notification bell.
Come back for the next one.
We'll be back real soon, and you need to be the first person there because why wouldn't you be? First is always the best.
That's right. Do you have a pair of Pandas? Are they in your collection? Let us know.
Yeah.
How do you feel about them?
C Squad, thanks for watching this.
Peace.